Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss things you should never do after a car accident in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, car accidents happen and they can happen to anyone, but none of us want to, but it happens, right? And even a very small accident can be very stressful and confusing. But what you can do immediately after an accident can make a big difference legally and financially. Here are some things you should never do after a car accident in Canada. Okay, I'm going to discuss some points, so uh, go through them very carefully. Okay, never leave the scene. Leaving the accident scene without exchanging information can lead to serious legal consequences. Always stop and exchange details with the other driver. Never run away from the scene. Second, fault admittance. Never admit whose fault on the spot. It's not your job. It's the job of law enforcement and insurance companies. So it's their job. Let them do. You do what is your part. Okay. Never skip taking photos and videos. Photos are extremely important for documentation. Okay. So take pictures of everything relevant like vehicle damage, license plate, road, surroundings. This evidence can be helpful later. Never forget to exchange information. Make sure to exchange driver license, insurance details and contact information. If the other party is aggressive and doesn't want to share, don't stress too much. Okay. Next, never delay reporting the accident. Insurance company usually require accidents to be reported within a certain time frame. In most of the cases, it's 24 hours if I'm not wrong, but check with your insurance company. So if you delay the report, it can create complications and it won't be good for you. So that's why be careful. Now at the end, I would say accidents are stressful, but staying calm and following the right steps can prevent bigger problems later. Knowing what not to do is just as important as knowing what to do. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.